How to get unlimited referrals on Temu. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Temu affiliate program. Head over to this site, affiliate program. You need to sign up to your Temu affiliate program. After signing up, you will be given an affiliate code and affiliate link. You can earn up to 20% commission on every purchase you made through your affiliate link. So you need to make sure that you share the affiliate link on various social sites and different Discord servers. You can also share your affiliate code on your Instagram story. And you can earn a bonus on every purchase your followers make through your affiliate link. So this is one of the methods to get unlimited referrals on Temu. Now the next thing you can also do is head over to your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Head over to You at the bottom and then move into Earn Credits and Free Gifts. And then you can head over to Redeem Cash. You can refer a friend by copying the referral code or the referral link. And then you can share it with your followers or friends. After they sign up with your referral or affiliate code or link, you can get unlimited referrals on Temu. So that's it, and this was another method to get unlimited referrals on Temu. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.